Hello and good morning to everyone. This is Pooja Badkul here, and I'm honored to represent DD Blessings International School on this special day that is the Constitution Day of our country. So, basically, why it's called the Constitution Day of our country? It's because the Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949 and it came into force on 26 January 1950. So, this Constitution of India was adopted under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and it's a set of laws, it's a set of rules which are used to govern a country. So every year we talk about the Indian Constitution, what is it, when what is framed, what was the purpose of framing the Indian Constitution, but this time I have planned to talk about something important from the point of view of your studies, from the point of view of your IQ, to raise your IQ level. And this time I'll discuss some important points related to the Indian Constitution, which you can face in many of your screening tests, your examination, many of the competitive examinations. Very frequently these questions are being asked related to the Indian Constitution. So when we talk about the Indian Constitution, the first thing is that the Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution of the world, and we are proud to announce that our constitution is the largest written constitution of the world. So being the largest constitution of the world, it took so much of time to write the constitution, to frame the constitution. Yes, it took almost 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to finish writing up the constitution or framing of the constitution. Next comes the point that who has written such a big constitution, such a large constitution. Yes, this constitution was written by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. He was a famous calligrapher of Indian origin, or we can say he was a famous Indian calligrapher who wrote the Indian Constitution in a very beautiful way. बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से इन्होंने हमारी इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को जो है लिखा था, and till date it's kept recorded in the libraries as the first written form of the Indian Constitution. Now the next point in this context is there are so many features of the Indian Constitution which are borrowed from other countries. That means इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के ऐसे कई फीचर्स हैं जो कि दूसरी कंट्रीज से जो है इंडिया में बोरो किए गए हैं. सो वी विल डिस्कस देम वन बाय वन. व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दैट आर बोरोड फ्रॉम द other countries. So as we are talking about the longest written constitution of the world, so the longest written constitution of the world got the idea of writing the constitution from United States of America. That means हमारी constitution जो है, हमारा संविधान लिखित होगा, ये आइडिया जो है ये बोरो किया गया है यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका से. एंड द टू मोर फीचर्स विच आर बोरोड फ्रॉम द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, दैट इज़ द फंडामेंटल राइट्स एंड द प्रीएम्बल. फंडामेंटल राइट्स वो हैं, दे आर द राइट्स विच आर गारंटीड टू द इंडियन सिटीजन्स दैट दे कैन they can practice these rights in case they feel that their rights or whatever they are supposed to have is being violated, so they can use these rights in case they need them. And what is preamble? Preamble of the Indian Constitution, the preamble is that Indian states are sovereign, democratic, socialist republic. This is basically the preamble of India. So these three things are borrowed from the United States of America. Next we'll talk, when we have talked about the fundamental rights, so next point comes about the fundamental duties. So the fundamental duties and the 5-year plans, that means the plans which are made at the beginning of every 5 year to be executed for governing the country, they are borrowed from the USSR. Fundamental duties and the 5-year plans are borrowed from the USSR. Now, these rights and duties are guaranteed by the Constitution, but there needs to be a body who monitors the practicing of these rights and duties, or the laws. So the laws of the Supreme Court being the highest judiciary authority, the laws of the Supreme Court, they are also a very important feature of the Indian Constitution, and they are borrowed from Japan. Yes, the laws of the Supreme Court are borrowed from Japan. Next comes the federal form. The federal form means the center is the highest authority केंद्र सरकार जो है सबसे बड़ी है, सबसे ऊपर जो है अथॉरिटी होती है इंडियन गवर्नमेंट में. सो दिस फेडरल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट वॉज बोरोड फ्रॉम कैनेडा. Another important feature जो है amendment है. Amendment means the changes brought in the constitution from time to time according to the need of the country or according to the need of the citizens. जो changes constitution में होते हैं उन्हें amendments बोला जाता है, और amendments वाला जो feature है that is borrowed from अफ्रीका. अफ्रीकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में अमेंडमेंट्स का जो है फीचर है, वहाँ से हमारे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में इसे बोरो किया गया. Another one is the suspension of fundamental rights at the time of emergency. For example, कोई emergency देश में लगी हुई है, that can be medical emergency, that can be situation of war, that can be financial emergency. तो in cases of such emergencies, the fundamental rights of the citizens are suspended. For example, मैं आपको शॉर्ट में समझाऊँ, जैसे धारा 444 लगती है और वी कैन से दैट कर्फ्यू लगता है, तो इन दैट केस आपको 4 लोगों से बात करना या ग्रुपिज्म करना, ग्रुप में खड़ा होना, दैट इज़ एवरीथिंग इज स्टॉप्ड. तो द सेसेशन ऑफ दीज फंडामेंटल राइट्स इज़ अनदर फीचर ऑफ आवर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड दिस फीचर इज़ बोरोड फ्रॉम जर्मनी. यस, जर्मन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ये फीचर है कि जब भी देश पे कोई आपातकाल या इमरजेंसी होती है, इन दैट सिचुएशन आपकी जो फंडामेंटल राइट्स हैं उनको सीज कर दिया जाता है. सो दीज आर बेसिकली सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर्स ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन विच आर बोरोड फ्रॉम द अदर कंट्रीज़. ये पॉइंट जो है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फ्रॉम द कॉम्पिटिटिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. इवन आई हैव विटनेस्ड इन सो मेनी ऑफ द एग्जाम्स, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन ज़रूर आते हैं, बोरोड फीचर्स से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन तो ज़रूर आता है. सो एज अ स्टेप अहेड टू मेक आवर चिल्ड्रन अवेयर अबाउट द बोरोड फीचर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, वी हैव टेकन दिस इनिशिएटिव. ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसे कई सारे फीचर्स और हैं जो कि बोरो किए गए हैं दूसरी कंट्री से, बट आई विल डिस्कस दोज ऑल्सो इन एनी अदर वीडियो नेक्स्ट टाइम वेन एवर there is an occasion to commemorate any of the national event, any of the event of nation's importance. Until then, go through these points. Keep safe, keep isolated, use masks, sanitizers, save yourself and save your community. That's it. God bless you all. Jai Hind.